Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here, and I'm out here fishing with my Megabass Beetle-x crawler. Let's see what happens. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. Look at that beast right there, baby. I think I won the tournament with that one right there. I am the one with this one. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. I want to welcome you to the next episode. And as always, as you saw before, we're fishing with the beetle-x here. And that's what our topwater lure of choice is for this episode. So please be sure to like, subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe notification definitely. I'm trying to grow the channel and just keep on producing this topwater for you. So go ahead and enjoy. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go, everybody. Look at that. Woo! On the little crawler, baby. On the crawler. Look at that. Beetle-x. Megabass's Beetle-x. Look at that, everybody. That Beetle-x. Megabass right there, man. Got him. He bit it. Caught him crawling, and he wanted it. So that was a nice one. Showing everybody you can get them on those crawlers. That's a nice one. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go, folks. There we go. On that Beetle-x. I hope I got a good one of that for y'all, because he got that one. He hit that one there on that Beetle-x right there. There we go. There we go, everybody. On the Beetle-x. He's in all those weeds. In the Beetle-x. All right. Woo! All right. On the Beetle-x. We got this one. Nice hook set right there. All right. All right, everybody. On that Beetle-x, putting in work. All right. There we go. Right on the drop. Right on the drop. Right there on the drop, everybody. Nice one. Right there on the drop. As soon as it hit. There you go. There he is. Nice one right there. Right on that Beetle-x. There we go. Woo! There we go on the Beetle-x. Nice one. Nice one on the Beetle. This is a nice one. This is a nice one right here. This is a nice one right here. Yeah. Yeah, this is a, whoa, wow. This is a nice one. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Whew. That was the one. That was the one. That was the one. Gosh, I didn't get him out. There we go. There we go. Woo! On the bug. On the bug X right there. There on the bug X. That's what we wanted. We wanted to get that. We couldn't resist it. As you can see right there, got this nice one right here on the bug. You couldn't resist that. There's another one right there on that bug. All right. All right. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was the beetle-x. And what I wanted to do here in this beetle-x kind of series was show you me catching bass with that Megabass Beetle-x. Now, that's a great little crawler lure, and I hope that you watching me fish with it can give you some confidence that you could fish with it too and be successful. Hey, top water, subsurface, they're still hitting. So just think about it for a moment. You probably never used that kind of lure before, so why don't you give that a shot? I'm going to put a link in the description box where you can access it at. So I'm going to put a link in there so you can go over and grab one if you want. But to me, Megabass produces some great lures, and this beetle-x was great. So what I want you to do right now, please like, subscribe to the channel, because my goal is to grow the channel, and YouTube is kind of tough now, trying to get your channel to grow. So I really need your help. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and always remember that phrase, when it comes to topwater fishing, keep your line tight, because when they hit that topwater lure, it's going to be a big bite. All right. There we go. All right. There we go. Woo! There we go. Ow! Woo! Look at that. Boom! That was huge. On the fly. On the fly. Wow. Look at this. On the fly. Look at this beast right here. Oh my gosh. On the fly. What a big bass. Big bass. Whew. Wow. I want you to see this fish once again that I just pulled out. I want you to look at that. Let's hold him up like that so you can see him right there. That's a big fish right there, everybody. Big fish right here. Big fish on a little fly, a cicada, which is showing everybody that you can do it. You can make this happen. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. Just want to remind you here, this was a nice big fish, and look at this, just so I can show everybody again. On a cicada. I don't know who said these little things can't catch big bass, but that was 4.21. That's a big bass, and this little bug did it on light line. It was truly exciting, and we'll just keep on going and see what can happen. All right, but that was really good. Topwater Johnny out right now. We'll keep on going.